Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 1st of August 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations, visual effects and everything you can find in Unity. Do check out all the links in the description for all the sales, all the humble bundles and all the amazing things, and I will have a video for this month featuring all the best savings that you can make, along with free assets that are coming soon. Do check out my Patreon to get access to over 150 scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. StudioSnowblind, over a year ago, quit his full-time job to make his own game, and the game Glaciated features the Earth 65 million years in the future. Chunky Rab has got style, skating, slow motion and action all rolled into one. Big Squirmy is wondering if he should just go to bed now. Sydney has got crossing organic paths. Razzraziel has got an amazing interaction system built with IK and interactables in mind. Gabriel Agua FX has got materializing an object. Sob Games has got more action in the clouds with Flying the Dragon. Lifetap Studios has got a really awesome scale of a hostile pirate blimp with the open world flying and pirate game. Cornf_blue has got more player hazards and so much more going in the environment. joshem has been working on a homage to Choplifter with a lot of modern takes. Info4T has got a retro style FPS with so much craziness. Brute Force Game has got the fish under the frozen lake with an awesome looking shader. Viron Game Dev has got a really big problem with the enemy spawner. Alex Amai has got an incredible effect where you can mask off the areas where the Pokemon show through the window of the card. Big RookGames has got so many enemies, maybe it's a little bit too much. LithPyro has been working on some brand new climbing mechanics. Trifox Game has got a beautifully clean looking action, bosses, enemies, everything rolled into one. Elosociu has been making a game where you have no object permanence. Alex Rack 2 is where he's finished all the animations and all the guns for his multiplayer CSGO-like game. Hunted Games has been working on gameplay for his latest project and wants to know what you think. Sniper ED007, brand new underwater supply crates, and a smooth looking weapon wheel.